Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the SDK, that is .arr file, and how you can use it. So I will just show you my app. I will run the app. As you can see on the screen, I have made an app which says hello Android. So here is the code. So now I will make an SDK and I will show you how you can use from the SDK the message it will show. To create an SDK, first you don't have to go to the app and click new. You have to go on the files in the Android studio and create new modules. So when you will create new module and go to Android library here, so here I will give the name, module name test SDK, and here I will give the package name com.YesAndroid.test SDK. So here is the module name and here is the package name I have given, and I have selected language Kotlin, and this is the default setting I have selected, and I will do finish. So one test SDK folder will be generated here. As you can see, it is generating now. So you can see here test SDK is generated, and you can see here it is generated below the app. It is not inside the app. So this is the new SDK. If you have the permission in manifest file, so whatever permission you are using, you just use it here also while creating the SDK. So I will just create one class in this. So I will create a my SDK class in this. So I will click here inside test SDK. This is similar to the app itself. So I will create Java class, sorry, Kotlin class my SDK. So I have created in class my SDK, and I will write a companion of function in that object and a function. So I have written here get greetings. So I will use this class and I will use this function get greetings, and I will display hello from the SDK. So this is inside the modules, this my SDK class. So I will use here in the mobile screen, you can see here hello Android. Instead of that, I will use test SDK greetings hello from SDK. So I'll go to Android, and here main activity I will change here hello Android is the name, and I will get it from the SDK also. So you can see here SDK my SDK dot get greetings. So I have to import also. So I'll add dependency, because you will have to do it, add the dependency, and now you can import the class. So import my SDK. So now you can see here this is the hello Android, and this is the message from we are getting from the SDK. So now I'll run the app. So now you can see the mobile screen. So it will launch the app and it will show, yeah, app got launched, and here it will show hello Android. From the SDK we got the message hello from the SDK. So same you can see here, this is the message we are printing, and this is the get greetings. I will click here. So it is saying hello from SDK. So actually it is coming from here. So in this test SDK, I want to tell you, you can write the service, you can create the activity also, like, and you can write multiple things you do in the app, like normal Android function. You can write many things in this, like you can create different SDK as per your requirement. So this is actually the different module, and I am using the same here. So now I have to generate the SDK for this. So this test SDK. So for this you will have to go to build and make module. You can see here test SDK is there. So I will select make modules. So this will generate the .arr file. So update the minimum SDK in the module dependency. So I think here we have to update. If you will go to Gradle file, in this test SDK Gradle file, so here I will make it as 35. So I think it is asking to update it. So I have updated it, and I will sync the file. So now if I will create the build again for this, it will generate the test SDK ARR file. So it is building. So now I will go to project and I will go to build. In project, I will go to test SDK and build, and I will go to output and ARR. So you can see here this folder has been generated. So I will show you again. I will delete this. I deleted it. and I will generate it again. You can see here there is no file in the ARR file, so I will go build. I think I have to select the project Android here, and I will build it again. Make module. I think that module has been generated. I will go to project, and you can see here test.arr. So I want to use this, so I will just copy this, copy, and I will paste in the desktop. So here I will paste it, and I will rename it as test SDK. So I have renamed it as test underscore SDK and ARR file. So I'll just switch to the new branch. Hello friends, now I want to show you how you can use the SDK. So I have switched to the different branch, use SDK. So before that I want to run the app so that you will know what is displayed in the mobile application. So I am launching the app. Here again we are on the hello Android page. So again I am at the same place where like I started to create the SDK. So you can see here hello and the name is there. So that is printing. So now I want to use the SDK that test underscore ARR file. So I will copy this. I will copy this and I will just create a lib. I will go to project, and here inside the app I will create a lib folder. I'll go here, new, I will create a lib, one lib directory you can see here, and here only I will paste that SDK. So I will do paste. So you can see here test underscore SDK dot ARR. So you can see here this SDK I have pasted here, and if you will go in this, it has that file test SDK, that my SDK dot class you can see here, and which has greeting as a function. So this function we have to use it in the here. So for that I will go to Android again, and you have to, I will go to settings.gradle, and here you have to add few things. So I will add it. So here you will have to add in repository. You can see here I have added flatDir in that directories libs. So in that lib we have added the ARR file. So here we have to edit. Above I have changed nothing, and in the dependency also you have to add that library. So I will go to gradle.kts, and here I will add that. You can see here I have added implementation files. So in that lib I have pasted test underscore sdk.arr. So I will do sync. So now I will be able to use that my SDK class in the main activity. So now I will go to here. So as you can see here hello Android is there. So that is the normal message. So I came to main activity. So here hello Android is there. So I will print the same thing. So this is the message coming from the SDK. I will use the same before I used my SDK dot get greetings. So now you can see here. So it's suggested by automatically, and if you I will redirect, click here, right click. So it is redirecting to here. So now if I will run the app, so here there is no test SDK modules. So I am using the .arr file only to import it. So you can see here hello Android is there. So I will just run the app, and I am running the app, and I will show you the result on the mobile screen. So you can see here app is getting launched, and it is launching. So you can see here. So this message we got hello from the SDK. So this message we got from the SDK. So in the SDK you can have services also, you can have activity, like multiple functions you can have, and you can use this. So this is the basic thing only I have added. And one more thing is, whatever the permission you are adding in your app like manifest file, so same permission you have to add in the manifest file as the module. Inside that module like test SDK, so whatever the permission you have, so there also you have to add the permission in the manifest file. So this is all about the video. Thank you for watching.